Eczema is an inflammatory skin sickness that consequences in dry, scaly, crimson skin. The infection is commonly crimson and infected and frequently resembles a boil or some kind of eczema rash. Eczema is frequently characterized by way of a particular kind of eczema, or in greater excessive instances the individual's skin can alternate in coloration to orange or brown. However, human beings with eczema must nevertheless be capable to share in their ordinary life. Eczema is now not contagious and neither is the sickness contagious to others. However, when affected pores and skin will become out of control, it can have an effect on the different person. There are many special sorts of eczema and there are additionally positive matters that have been proven to motivate it. There are many distinct kinds of eczema, however eczema is in particular brought on by using an overproduction of pores and skin oil, referred to as sebum. Sebum is produced as an end result of an immune device response to irritants such as pollen, dust, bacteria, and dirt mites. When the physique responds to an irritant, a flood of sebum is produced and this watery substance motivates the pores and skin to swell. There are some reasons of eczema going on the pores and skin that is extra possibly to occur. When a baby has eczema flare up, they are a great deal extra possibly to have issues with bronchial asthma than adults are. A small baby can get a severe case of eczema if they are uncovered to an allergen for prolonged durations of time. The surroundings is additionally a main reason of eczema. Dust and mold can make it worse, and allergens that are now not eradicated can motivate the pores and skin to end up dry, so aggravated that it blisters or crusts over. The sort of washing detergent you use can additionally be a factor, as the material softener in your family may additionally assist to enlarge the quantity of dry pores and skin you have. Anyone who suffers from eczema can inform you that the situation can be embarrassing and hard to hide. Because of this, it is essential to discover and find cure. There are countless redress accessible that can assist to ease the pain and will exhibit sizable consequences in a brief length of time. The pleasant way to locate comfort from eczema is to locate an eczema therapy that is a bit specific from different sorts of treatment. There are herbal remedies reachable that will deal with the supply of the trouble as an alternative of simply hiding it away. Natural redress will additionally be much less costly than different eczema treatments, however they will work for most people. You favor to attempt to locate a therapy that works properly for you as there are no in a single day therapies for eczema. One technique that is the excellent to locate alleviation is to soak your pores and skin in apple cider vinegar. You can additionally use yogurt, which is a very proper cure for this pores and skin condition. Most of the merchandise that comprise these substances have little or no odor, so they will now not be offensive to your household or friends. Another remedy is water. Cure the use of warm water. Hot water can limit oil production, and when it is used consistently, the signs of eczema will subside. The foremost ingredient of this remedy is saltwater, which will assist cleanse your pores and skin and furnish relief. Tea tree oil is additionally a very nice remedy that works to soothe the skin surface. This oil is full of antioxidants and will assist to kill bacteria. It is additionally a properly remedy for these who have allergic reactions to shore fabric and products. Allergies are one of the worst matters that can appear to you, so gaining knowledge of how to deal with them is one of the fine matters you can do for yourself. If you go through from eczema, it is necessary to discover a way to overcome your symptoms. Treatments such as these are your nice protection in opposition to eczema. The different type of eczema. There are many reasons of eczema. The most frequent is extended contact with objects that are irritating. The infection may want to be from chemical substances or even dry pores and skin that leads to itching and burning. It can be the end result of whatever that can irritate the skin, such as foods, detergents, perfume, sun, and whatever else that can reason a flare-up of symptoms. There are three foremost kinds of eczema that are frequently stressed with every other. It can be hard to diagnose them effectively until they are handled correctly. There are many sufferers that suppose that the pores and skin rash they have is the eczema they suppose it is. They might also additionally deal with the eczema with medications, and then it goes away, however they may want to have something else to treat. Allergies that include irritants and irritants that are pores and skin irritants are the largest hassle when dealing with eczema. When these troubles are left untreated, they can reason the pores and skin to grow to be inflamed, which will then purpose the signs to come back. The first kind of eczema is recognized as atopic dermatitis. People who have this structure of eczema normally have a moderate shape of eczema, in addition to a lot of reactions to food, preservatives, hair products, perfumes, alcohol, and sunscreen. The matters that should purpose an allergic response are many, and they are exceptional for every person. There are some humans that can't get a response to what any person else is allergic to, whilst there are different humans that can get a response from any kind of substance. People who have atopic dermatitis are extra probable to be touchy to dust mites, residence dirt mites, perfumes, useless pores and skin cells, and preservatives. This kind of eczema generally seems at nighttime and stays with them all day. If left untreated, it will generally come lower back on the subsequent day. The second eczema kind is known as dry eczema. The human beings that have this shape of eczema appear to react to moisturizers higher than they do to something else. However, this kind of eczema regularly reappears due to the fact the humans can no longer deal with the topical moisturizer. This is the kind of eczema that looks to be greater susceptible to dryness and moisture retention. For most people, they can practice a moisturizer, however for others, they have to let the region air dry. This helps minimize the pores and skin inflammation that they are experiencing. The one-third kind of eczema is referred to as eczema dermatitis. The human beings that have this structure of eczema additionally react to preservatives, perfumes, perfumed clothing, and the matters that can be determined in Splendor products. They have a very challenging time respiratory due to the fact of the dry skin, redness, and irritation. Because of the sensitivity of this kind of eczema, these sufferers regularly use steroids to deal with it. However, steroids want to be used cautiously due to the fact they can also purpose an overdose or different aspect effects. It has additionally been stated that it have to be used to deal with moderate instances of eczema. You will be in a position to locate out what eczema sorts you have via getting a scientific prognosis from your doctor. Once you understand your unique case, you will be capable to decide how to deal with it. There are a number of methods to deal with eczema, from topical lotions to prescription medications. If you have observed pores and skin rash, swelling, irritation, or have observed any redness, it is excellent to see your medical doctor for treatment. Some physicians can also prescribe some oral medicinal drugs that assist soothe the itching, minimize the redness, and minimize the irritation. If you go through from any structure of eczema, you can discover out greater about how to beat eczema right here in the description on how to use stem cell OR. You can ask in the comment section. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.